Hello and welcome to AI Ed, from bits to breakthroughs. I'm your host, Zoey 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. Throughout this series, we've explored the AI solutions marketplace, covering key concepts, navigating the directory, choosing between open source and proprietary solutions, and diving into AI models and tools across various domains like language, data, audio vision, healthcare, robotics, and gaming. Today, we'll look toward the future of AI within the AI solutions marketplace and explore the trends and emerging technologies that are shaping its evolution. The AI solutions marketplace is constantly evolving as new models, tools, and platforms are developed. Let's start by looking at some of the trends we expect to see in the near future. Generative AI is already making an impact, with models like GPT-4 and DALL-E being used across industries. As this area of AI continues to advance, we expect to see even more sophisticated tools within the AI solutions marketplace, offering new ways to create content, design, and automate processes. In healthcare, AI solutions will continue to push boundaries, with improvements in predictive diagnostics and the development of AI-driven tools for personalized medicine. These advancements will shape the future of how healthcare professionals interact with patients and data. For robotics, expect to see further integration of AI with autonomous systems. The AI solutions marketplace will likely feature more solutions that combine AI with robotic process automation, RPA, drones, and industrial robots, providing new opportunities for industries like logistics and manufacturing. Looking ahead, we also anticipate continued growth in the natural language processing (NLP) solutions available in the marketplace. AI-driven language models will become more refined, offering enhanced capabilities for customer support, content generation, and even research assistance. As the AI solutions marketplace grows, new business models will gain traction. This will make it easier for businesses and individuals to access pre-trained models, tools, and platforms without having to build from scratch, further democratizing access to AI. For example, our custom AI solutions service represents tailor-made AI services where advanced technology meets enterprise needs, fueling growth and innovation. What about development platforms? We believe they will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the AI landscape. GitHub's evolution will likely include enhanced collaboration tools for AI development, improved resources for model deployment, and advanced version control for AI projects. Hugging Face's growth may bring more sophisticated model sharing capabilities, enhanced tools for model evaluation, and expanded datasets across domains. Our AI solutions marketplace will continue to integrate with these platforms, helping you navigate emerging AI solutions, access cutting-edge resources, and stay connected with development communities. At newbits.ai, we're committed to staying at the forefront of these trends, ensuring that our AI solutions directory is constantly updated with the latest models, tools, and platforms. Our goal is to provide you with the most relevant and cutting-edge AI solutions available, no matter where you are on your AI journey. We encourage you to stay connected with newbits.ai through our AI Hub, where you can engage with fellow AI enthusiasts, explore our AI glossary, and keep up with the latest episodes in our AI Ed from Bits to Breakthroughs podcast series. If you're excited about what the future holds, I invite you to continue your learning journey with our next podcast series, AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge, where we'll dive into the future of AI, explore groundbreaking advancements, and discuss the ongoing research shaping the AI landscape. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. We hope it has empowered you with the knowledge and tools to make the most of your AI journey. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.